Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is called Remote Monitoring and Control System for Environmental in Greenhouse. So here I am using an Arduino Uno R3 and one power supply section. So here I am using an 5 sensors: temperature sensor, smoke sensor, LDR sensor, fire sensor, and one PIR sensor. All the sensors are sensing the data of the environmental, and that should be displayed on the LCD. If something should be happen, so about temperature, it will send the SMS to the mobile owner mobile number. So here MAX 232 and one GSM modem. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here I am using an Arduino Uno R3, one GSM modem, SIM 900A. So I'm using a Tata Docomo SIM card here. So I'm using 5 sensors. One is LM35 temperature sensor, and one smoke sensor by gas sensor, and one LDR sensor, and one fire sensor. And the data I'm sending through MAX 232 and SMS alert. So we will get the SMS like temperature alert, gas alert, PIR alert, fire alert. So here I'm using an 9 volts 230 input step down transformer, 9 volts output AC. It is giving to the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, and one 7805 regulator. So it is showing that environmental condition in greenhouse. So after after GSM testing, it will send the owner's mobile called GSM test OK. Temperature, smoke, LDR, no fire, no PIR. So if PIR is detected, PIR alert. So PIR alert, we will receive one SMS. Fire alert. Fire alert. PIR alert. '65 and above. So here I'm using an LDR. If LDR is dark, the 13th pin will be on. Temperature 64, fire alert, gas alert. I'll show you the smoke alert also. 1 minute. Gas alert. So fire, LDR, smoke, PIR, PIR alert, PIR alert. We will receive that SMS, PIR alert. PIR alert. So temperature above 60 degree, it will show you that temperature alert. LDR only for the light on and off LED. So this is an greenhouse monitoring system, and the owner will continuously receive the SMS. So we are going to add 3 ADCs and 2 digital pin. One is fire and one is PIR. And thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.